Welcome to our tutorial on integrating Hotspot Interactivity using Easygenerator. To begin, open Easygenerator and navigate to the content page. Drag and drop the hotspot on image layout block from the left onto the page. Next, click Choose a background image. You can upload one from your computer, choose from the library, or Easygenerator stock library, or paste a link to an image. Then click and drag to create hotspots in the areas. Now, provide an explanation for the hotspot and click Done. You can add as many hotspots as needed. And there you have it. Interactive hotspots added to your course in Easygenerator. Learners can hover over the hotspots to view the information.